Hello students and welcome back to another video. In this video we will start our chapter of articles and we will talk about articles and their types. So first of all, what are articles? Articles are words in English language that are used to describe the relationship between the noun and its quantifier. So basically articles are determiners that are used to quantify nouns, and they are also used to demonstrate that whether a noun is a specific thing or a common or general thing. And the articles in English language are just three words that are a, an and the. These three words are the articles that are present in English language, and a and an is used when we talk about general or common things, whereas the is used when we talk about specific things. For example, a book, an apple, an aeroplane, a university, a mall, a mountain, a chair. These words are general things, these are general nouns, therefore we have placed a or an in their beginning, whereas the is used for specific things. For example, the man, the book, the apple, the table, the chair. So when I say an apple, the listener understands that I am talking about any apple in general. But when I say the apple, the listener will automatically understand that I am talking about some specific apple that might have been discussed earlier or that might have been present in front of me. That's why I am indicating and I am specifying that apple, that the apple. So the listener will understand that I am talking about some specific apple. So that was the difference between the use of the, an, and a. And on the same basis, we classify the articles into two types, that is the definite articles and the indefinite articles. And as the name indicates, the definite article is the, because it defines or specifies the noun, whereas the indefinite articles are a and an because they do not define a noun and they do not specify the noun. So that was the use of the, an, and a. And another thing to understand about the articles is that a and an are used for singular objects, whereas the can also be used for plural objects. For example, an apple or a book refers to a single apple or a single book. And we cannot say an apples because an apples is incorrect grammatically. Similarly, we cannot say books or universities, that would be incorrect. But with the, we can say the apple or the apples. We can also say the chair or the chairs, the tables, the mountains. So we can add plural nouns after the, and whenever articles occur, they are always followed by a noun. So that is the use of articles, and we will discuss more detail about these articles in the coming videos. So stay with us. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.